Look, guys, I did it. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sandy, and welcome. I have been working on cleaning off my daughter's bed here, and you can check the other videos to see it was completely covered with various junk journaling and crafting supplies. What I have left here is my pile of stickers. And so I am going to start going through and getting those organized. I want to move them into these binders. So I had been using these binders back in my scrapbooking days. And I have these clear plastic holders that I would put things in, and I had them categorized. I tried to break them down by different categories, summer, and I have Halloween, etc. So I want to go back and try using these again and see how that works. And I have a third binder that's empty because these two, had stickers in them. There's not many left, but that's what I'm going to work on today. And then here is an update on this room. Not much has changed since the last video. I did put all of the Christmas crafting stuff in there, in this tub. This is empty now, so I think I might put fabric or ribbon in there. And this one is still empty. And none of that stuff has changed over there. The bed, the only thing I've added since the update was this box here. And this is all of my memorabilia of trips we took and shows we went to see and Disney ephemera and things like that. So I just kind of packed it in here, and then I can go through and try to start getting that organized. And then I think I showed this to you all last time as well. And so I have that in there. This is postcards, my Harper's magazines, and then those are handkerchiefs and scrapbook, and then some paper, coaster, napkin, placemat sets. And that was on the floor over here. That was on top of this tub right here. So these are all my clean linens, and then these are clean linens I need to wash. And then these are my sewing patterns, and some of my patrons will be getting those in June. And then here's some more linens I need to wash. And then all of my things I use to pack, things I send out, are in bags on that far side of the bed. And then my Cricut vinyl. And then this is more stuff of my daughter's. And while she's here, I thought we'd flip through that, and probably can throw most of that away because it's like school papers and stuff. And then that box, that shoe box, has memorabilia in it of my daughter's. And then I got all this on clearance at Michael's. It was like, I think 70 or 90, probably 70% off. It's making your own paper. And I bought it because it was 70% off, but I haven't used it. So hopefully I'll use it. This rocking chair is my mother's. And I need to just take it back to my mom's because I don't need it here. And that'll be nice to free up that corner. But yeah, so, there's still a lot of stuff in here, but I know what's in here. I have a list of what it is. And so it's organized, even though there's a lot of stuff. And that's okay, because we don't need this room. If we have guests, they sleep in the other bedroom. So, but yeah, I'm feeling so much better. I feel very I was going to say relieved or at peace. I don't know. It's just like some clutter has left my brain because there's several different things I want to work on, journals and different projects, and I just couldn't do it because I kept thinking about wanting to get this done. So once I get the stickers organized, then I can get back on some different projects and things. So I'll be hopefully productive and be able to get a lot of that stuff done that I want to get done. But we'll see. Something will always come up. It never fails. This week it was helping out my daughter with the grandkids, which that's what I live to do, and helping my mom out, and then just, trying to have fun, do stuff with my husband, and it goes quick, and I would love to just do videos all day, but I can't. I have a life, and I want to live it, but I love spending time with you all. I love doing videos, but I want them to be interesting videos when I'm actually crafting and working on a project and things like that. So it can be a struggle from time to time. But I'm feeling good today, and I'll wrap up here. Sorry this is such a short video, but I just wanted to give you an update on how I'm working on with this mess and getting ready for my daughter's visit. So we still have 9 days before she's here. So I'm really excited about that. I'm not rushing around at the last minute. So yeah. All right, guys, I'll catch you all in the next video. And thanks again for all your support, your likes and shares and subscribes and comments. All right, love y'all. Bye.